What's up, guys? Out here again. We got another little fishing trip vlog, and we're at a very special lake today. This is the lake where I caught my 11-pound 10-ounce PB, and we're not where we caught it right now. We are worked way back up in a creek, as you can see, but we're gonna kind of dig in, try to catch some small fish early. Well, not small ones. We're gonna go try to catch a couple early up shallow back in these creeks. Then we're gonna work out into the brush piles later in the day, so you guys stay tuned. First one of the day, not very big, but we're just kind of getting started back into this creek. We got a long ways to go. I think we're gonna catch a bunch of fish this size, and if we're lucky, might catch a couple, between 2 and 4 pounds. So it'll be a good day. Giant. That's why we come back here, catch fish like that. All right, what's up, guys? I think we're to the end of the road back in this creek. We can't really get any further, and if we do go any further, we can't get turned around. So we're gonna sit down, take a break, eat a muffin, drink some water, and I don't know, we'll work our way back out and see if we can't catch a couple more on the way out. It's water's a little more dead than it normally is. Not any bait fish, so we're not getting bit very well. So I think we might work our way back out to the main lake, see if we can't catch some out there. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh, God. Well, they ain't big, but we're getting bit. Trying to dodge all these trees back in here. Better one. There we go. Choked it. Choked it. God dang. Yep. Sweet. So we've been going through this creek. We fished all the way back in. Now I'm coming back out. I flipped my way in with a beaver and a small worm. And I, caught 2 or 3, I think. And then I picked up this little scrounger head and a little fluke style bait put on it. I think I've caught 5 or 6 on the way out. So got bit a lot more on the way out. I think we got them figured out, and maybe we'll catch a couple more, maybe even a decent one on the way out. So we'll see. There's another one. Same tree. Next cast. Little spot. Alright, what's up? Last time I talked to you guys, I think I was leaving the creek to go fish some brush piles, and it was way too windy out on the main lake to go fish any brush piles. So I got out there, kind of tried to fish them, couldn't stay on them how I wanted to, but you know, that's just how it goes. I had a blast fishing back in the creek though, got to get back to the roots, fish some real shallow stuff, and just, you know, go visually fish and flip and, you know, trick fish that are right at your feet. But had a blast today, and you know, I'd like to know if you guys like seeing these kind of videos. Do you want to see the vlogs? Do you like the informational videos? You know, what kind of stuff do you guys want to see? Drop me a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, because I don't know what kind of content you guys want to see. I haven't been getting a lot of feedback, so just let me know, and you know, I'll catch you guys in the next video.